Hello and welcome to today's video of the 30 Days of Etsy series. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to drive traffic with Pinterest to your Etsy shop so that you can attract your dream customers. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about why you should use Pinterest to drive traffic to your shop. So why am I telling you to start with Pinterest and use your limited, let's be honest, we're all very busy people, so your limited time building your presence on Pinterest and not on any other social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, heck, even TikTok. So I'm going to run through that with you today, and I'm just going to show you why it's so important to start with Pinterest. So the reason why I'm telling you to start with Pinterest, because Pinterest isn't actually a social media platform. Yep, that's right. Technically, Pinterest isn't a social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok are. It's actually a search engine, similar to Google or here on YouTube. So if we've learned anything from the past 20 or so videos in this series, we understand how important and valuable search-based and driven content can be for our Etsy shop. Now let's check out this really handy graph. Now this was done in 2018, but it says at the bottom here that it has been updated for January 2019. But if we have a look here at this snapshot, you're going to see where I've just circled it here is that 48% of shoppers looking for products come from Pinterest. And we can see here that finding or shopping for products, it's the highest percentage within Pinterest. So for Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, it's saying here that most of them are under the 20% or even under the 15% mark of those people on those platforms are actually shopping for products. And when it comes to our Etsy shop, that is what's most important. We want to attract those people that have their credit cards out, they've got their wallets, they're ready to shop. So with these stats, we now understand the importance of starting with Pinterest. I'm not saying that Instagram and Facebook and Twitter or Snapchat or TikTok are worthless. I'm not saying that at all. I'm saying you want to start where you're going to get the most bang for your buck. And I believe, and it's showing here, that it's Pinterest. So you want to see some stats, right? Okay, well, let's head on over to my own Etsy shop to see what all the hype is about when it comes to Pinterest. Now, I'm just logged into my own Etsy shop dashboard, so it's for Penny Street Studio. And if you wanted to do this for your own Etsy shop, all you have to do is just head over here to the left-hand side and click on Stats. And I've currently got it for just the past 24 hours. Let's change that to the past 30 days so we get a better snapshot of where our Etsy shop traffic is actually coming from. So just click on that arrow down below and you want to click here where it says last 30 days and it's going to populate with all your data. Let's just scroll down. So where I want to draw your attention is here where it says how shoppers found you. So it's saying that Etsy brought 50% of visits, okay? This is for my shop, Penny Street Studio. And it's saying that personally, I have brought in 50% of visits. So that means half of the amount of visits that are coming into my Etsy shop are actually driven by myself rather than Etsy. So if we want to see a breakdown of where that traffic is coming from, it's really quite simple. So here we've got direct and other traffic is 68, social media is 267, and Etsy ads has been 135. Like I mentioned before, technically Pinterest isn't social media, but they have categorized Pinterest within the social media tab here. So let's just go into social media and open this up. We can see here that when we open up this tab, Pinterest has driven 258 leads to my Etsy shop just within the past 30 days. So you can see that by putting a little bit of effort into my Pinterest account, I'm able to drive in an additional 258 leads into my Etsy shop, which is also converted into actual sales, so dollars in my pocket. As you can see here, I've got 9 leads from Facebook. I think I mentioned my Etsy shop in a couple of Facebook groups. So I can see now that I'm better off focusing my time and attention into my Pinterest growth strategy rather than Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr, it's saying here. Okay, so that is why I believe that you should start driving traffic with Pinterest. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step demonstration of how you can set up your own Pinterest business account to start driving traffic to your own Etsy shop. I'm going to be showing you this entire tutorial with my brand new Etsy shop, so the Makers Branding Shop, which hasn't yet got a Pinterest account connected to it. So you can go ahead and follow along with me and do it for your own Etsy shop. Okay, I will see you same time, same place tomorrow. Bye for now.